What's going on, guys? It's Ben with Svelte Training, and this is the Intro to Weights series where we're talking about easy and beginner steps to get into weightlifting. Today we're hitting an upper body day where we're focused on our chest, our back, our arms, etc. We're going to be going over 6 exercises for you to execute at home. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first exercise that we're going to be going over is a row. Why rows are really good is because it is a foundation lift. Foundation lifts are lifts that work multiple muscle groups at once while executing the exercise. Now, some people like to do rows with dumbbells. However, for beginners, I recommend to do it with a barbell. You can do this with any weight, even if it's just a bar. It's just better because you are working the whole foundation of your back while doing it in this way. So how do you do a row? First, you put your feet shoulder width. And you want to start by going down slowly with your back straight. When your back is straight, you want to puff that chest out and stand up. Then with keeping your feet at the same position, you want to bend down. And then when you're in this position, you want to take your elbows and you want to drive it into your belly button. This is going to cause a contraction in your lats, your shoulders, and even your biceps. And that's how you do rows. Now moving on to shoulder press. With shoulder press, you still can do this with dumbbells. However, I think a barbell is way better just because you don't have to focus on the stability with the dumbbell. Now the shoulder press is pretty simple. You're going to take your barbell and it should be light enough for you to just yank it on top. Okay? Now, from this position, it's really simple. Just push and poke your head through. And you do that for about 10 reps. 3, 4, 5. And you want to poke your head through so you don't put a lot of pressure on your lower back. 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, nice. Next is probably everyone's favorite. I mean, it's my favorite for sure. This is the bicep curl. Now, it might be everyone's favorite, but a lot of people mistake this workout. And why that is because people will take this and they will just go and swing around. Swing around, it's so much fun, just swing around. That's how you get injuries, that's how you have shoulder pain, that's how you don't get gains, etc., so on and so forth. So how do we limit that? First is when you have the barbell in your hands, right? You want to check your elbows. You want to check that they're forward and not backwards. If they're backwards, you're using your shoulders mainly. Once they're forward, like this, and use a mirror if it helps, when you use this, then it puts all the weight into your biceps, especially when you're keeping your arms straight. That is really going to help you activate those biceps. And of course, shoulders back, chest out, and that is how you execute perfect bicep curl. We got about 5 more of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, come on. 5, nice. Woo, already feeling the pump. Let's get it. So the next exercise after this is going to be chest press or bench press. I can show you the best way to execute bench press through a barbell. However, for people who are doing the dumbbell version, let me just give you some quick pointers. So number 1, you don't want to hold your dumbbells forward. You want to hold them at a 45-degree angle because this direction is the direction your muscle fibers actually grow in. So hitting it at a 45-degree angle when you're going down equals more chest activation. So when you're going down with your barbell, you basically want to keep that 45-degree angle with your chest, your feet up, and you just want to press forward. Throw it all the way down. And chest forward. There you go. This is a great exercise to start a foundation in your chest, your back, and your triceps. Let's knock out about 6 more of these. Go. After you're done with your chest press, we're going straight into tricep extensions. You can do this single arm with a kettlebell or a dumbbell. My favorite way is to go behind your back here, and then all you're doing is feeling to where your elbow is straight up, and you want to press like this. You want to stop at that 90-degree angle. Anything over that 90-degree angle is just going to cause injury. Really push through it. Woo! A little heavy of a dumbbell I got, not gonna lie. Next arm, same thing. Wing to your elbows straight and push forward. All you're trying to do is keep that core tight, your back straight, your shoulder stabilized. Whew. Amazing. Then we have one more exercise after that, and that is the upright row. This is going to help with your front and your rear delts. Great compound movement. So let's get into it. Again, pick it up with your feet shoulder width, toes pointing a little bit out, back straight, lift up, and this is the tricky part. You basically want to put your hands together, if not really close together, and keep that chest up, puffed out, and bring the bar all the way to your chin. And then that is how you get that full range, top to bottom. Give you a side view here, make it a little easier on the eyes. Keep that back straight, chest out, bring the weight to your chin, every time. Let's knock out 10 of these, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice. Come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! And there you go. There's your upper body day, your arm day, your chest day, whatever you want to call it. Hope this is helping you out getting into weights, and see you next time. Peace.